In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy lag and stutter on PC. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in run. So type run and type in %temp%, then click here, select all folders, and then right click and then delete. Then go to this PC, go to disk C, Windows, for fetch, and then select all, right click and then delete. Then disk, clean up, click OK, and then select everything and then click OK. Then go to device manager, display adapters, and update your adapters. Click update, then choose the adapter to update. Do the same thing here. Then go to CMD, run as administrator, and here you just need to run a few commands. So ipconfig/release and press enter, and then ipconfig/DNS, and this should fix it.